Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code B1646 indicates an issue with the driver's door left front antenna circuit. This code arises when the body control module, BCM, detects that the connection to the driver's door left front antenna is open, signaling a problem in the circuit. The body control module, found within the vehicle's central electronics, plays a crucial role in managing the communication and functionality of various electrical components. Specifically, this module interprets signals from the antenna and sends commands to other systems. The driver's door left front antenna is integrated with the driver's door outer handle, making it essential for keyless access and vehicle entry. If the connection is lost, it stores the DTC and may affect other electronic functionalities, such as locking and unlocking the vehicle. The DTC B1646 primarily affects two critical components: the driver's door left front antenna and the body control module. The driver's door left front antenna is responsible for receiving signals for keyless entry. Its physical location is right next to the driver's door outer handle, facilitating close-range communication with the vehicle's electronic systems. The body control module evaluates electrical signals and continuously monitors for abnormalities within these components. Upon detecting an open circuit, which means an expected connection is missing, the BCM flags this error by storing the DTC. In this context, a disconnection can occur due to damaged wiring, corrosion, or faulty connections. This problem can disrupt the functionality of essential features, including automatic locking and driver's side access. The possible causes of DTC B1646 include an open wire within the circuit, a faulty body control module, or a defective left front antenna. An open wire indicates that a segment of the wire connecting components is disconnected or broken, rendering the circuit inoperative. This can be due to wear and tear, accidental damage, or manufacturing defects. On the other hand, a faulty body control module can misinterpret signals, leading to erroneous DTC storage. Lastly, if the left front antenna itself is damaged, whether through environmental impact or internal malfunction, it can prevent proper configurations from being sent to the body control module. Each of these causes should be carefully inspected to identify the root issue behind the DTC. Drivers experiencing DTC B1646 may notice a failure in the vehicle's keyless entry system. This can manifest as an inability to unlock the doors remotely, which can be both inconvenient and a security concern. Furthermore, other symptoms may include warning lights illuminating on the dashboard, indicating that the system is not functioning correctly. If the body control module fails to receive proper feedback from the left front antenna, the vehicle might not respond to keyless entry commands or may exhibit erratic behavior in locking mechanisms. Additionally, in some cases, there may be audible alerts or messages displaying errors on vehicle screens. These symptoms underscore the significance of resolving the underlying issue promptly. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC B1646 involves performing a self-check using the HDS, or Honda Diagnostic System. Begin by connecting the vehicle to the HDS, which is crucial for accessing real-time data and diagnosing issues within the vehicle. Once connected, initiate the self-diagnostic process, which will automatically check for existing DTCs and store any faults present. It is essential to focus on this stage as it provides initial insights into the vehicle's electronic systems. Collecting this data helps ensure that all DTCs are accounted for, which is particularly important if there are multiple codes present. Accurate assessment of these faults will guide subsequent steps in the diagnostic process effectively. The second step in troubleshooting DTC B1646 requires inspection of the EXT FRDR Plus circuit, which is crucial for the proper functioning of the antenna. During this inspection, you will need to check for any physical damage to the wiring and ensure the connections are secure. Utilizing a multimeter, measure the resistance across the circuit. Normal conditions dictate that there should be less than 1 ohm of resistance. If resistance readings exceed the expected threshold, or if there are visible signs of wear and tear, corrective actions are necessary to repair or replace defective wiring. Additionally, confirm that there are no disconnections or corrosion at the terminals, as these conditions can contribute to open circuits, exacerbating the DTC issue, similar to the procedure for EXT FRDR Plus. The third troubleshooting step focuses on the EXT FRDR minus circuit. As an essential signal line, ensuring the integrity of this circuit is crucial for the successful operation of the left front antenna. Inspect the wiring to identify any signs of fraying, corrosion, or damage. Again, apply a multimeter to check resistance levels. They should also read less than 1 ohm under normal conditions. If abnormalities are detected, repair or replace any faulty wiring as needed. Failure to ensure proper readings could imply ongoing issues in the signal transmission, affecting overall circuit functionality. This diagnostic step helps to zero in on any potential causes of the DTC. Step 4 in the troubleshooting process delves into examining the body control module. This component is integral to the vehicle's communication network, and any malfunction can result in erroneous DTCs like B1646. Begin by ensuring that the driver's door left front antenna connector is disconnected before proceeding with the inspection. Check for any irregularities in the module's internal circuits, requiring specialized knowledge and equipment. If any issues arise during this inspection, whether relating to wiring, connectivity, or processing capability, it signifies a problem with the BCM itself. An operative module should clear the DTC without any errors. If it fails, further parts replacements or repairs might be necessary. The final troubleshooting step focuses on the driver's door left front antenna. If preceding inspections confirmed that both external circuits and the body control module are functioning correctly, the antenna itself is likely at fault. Begin by checking all connections to ensure they are secure and free from corrosion. If the connections are intact, yet problems persist, mechanical damage to the antenna may be present. In such cases, a new replacement antenna may be required to restore functionality. Remember, a properly functioning antenna is essential for reliable operation of the keyless entry system. Conducting this step thoroughly ensures all components are assessed and cleared for ongoing performance. Following the completion of repairs, it is crucial to perform a final verification to ensure that the issue related to DTC B1646 has been resolved. Start by reconnecting all components that were previously disconnected, ensuring they fit snugly and securely. Next, perform another HDS self-check to see if the DTC reappears. This process will confirm whether the repairs done were successful and if the keyless entry system now functions optimally. Clear any stored DTCs from the module and observe if the vehicle operates without errors after the reconnection. This final verification strengthens the assurance that the underlying problem has indeed been resolved. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in ensuring that issues like DTC B1646 do not reoccur. Regular inspections of connectors and wiring can help identify potential problems before they escalate into major failures. Taking time to clean and check for corrosion buildup around critical components, such as the body control module, and the driver's door antenna can greatly enhance the longevity of the system. Additionally, maintaining a clean and dry environment will help prevent moisture-related issues that can lead to open circuits. By establishing a solid routine for addressing these areas, vehicle owners can prolong the effective operation of their keyless entry and related electronic systems. In conclusion, diagnosing DTC B1646 requires a systematic understanding of symptoms, possible causes, and effective troubleshooting steps. Recognizing the significance of each component in the vehicle's electronic system can greatly aid in pinpointing the source of the problem. By following the outlined troubleshooting methods rigorously, technicians can identify issues related to the driver's door left front antenna circuit. Once repairs are verified through HDS checks, regular preventive maintenance should be employed to avoid recurrence of the trouble code. Continuing to educate oneself about components and their interactions in the vehicle is essential for effective repair and maintenance, ensuring a seamless driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.